Mala Spicy Beef Penne. Chop the onions. Slice the garlic. Chop the parsley. We use pure ramet collection, frying wok 30 centimeters. Add in some oil. Stir fry chopped onion and garlic slices. Add in the mala sauce. Stir fry until fragrant. Add in minced beef and stir fry until evenly cooked. Add in some milk and cheese. Stir fry until the cheese melts. We use a Choux Black Gold Series, saucepan 1,500 milliliters. Add some water. Add in some olive oil and salt. Cook the penne until it is chewy and soft. Drizzle with mala spicy beef. Sprinkle with some chopped parsley.